deliver her response. Let's give her a resounding applause.
Labag mo ng nervous na Rihanna.
It is an honor and privilege to stand in front of you in behalf of my fellow completers. Pero bago ko ipagpatuloy, nais ko munang batiin ang lahat sa paglaan ng oras upang dumalo sa pagtitipong ito. To our municipal officials headed by our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Lali Baubawan Carbonell, represented by Ma'am Rosana, Ma'am. To our dear Principal, Sir Brandon Culbingan, Sir. To our guest of honor speaker, Ma'am Maricom Y. Orpilla, Ma'am. To our faculty members, beloved parents, fellow completers, and all of our distinguished guests, a pleasant afternoon to all of us. I stand here today. I do not stand alone. I stand here carrying my story and the stories of every single one of us. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa isang estudyante na nagsasalita ngayon dito sa entablado. Ito ay kwento ng isang batch na lumaban kahit napagod, nanatili kahit nahirapan, at nagpatuloy kahit gusto nang sumuko. Because the truth is, our journey was never easy. Sa bawat pangarap natin, sa maraming sakripisyo, pagod at hirap, ay unti-unti nang mararating. Sa araw na ito ay magsimula na tayong umusbong, mamulaklak, at kalaunan ay mamunga. Ika nga, behind the clouds of sacrifices, we reach the reality of golden dreams. Nakarating na tayo sa gitna ng hagdan tungo sa tagumpay. Sa araw na ito, nais kong batiin ang bawat magulang at pamilya na nagsilbing tungkod at gabay upang kami ay makarating sa paaralan. Ang nakamit po naming karangalan ay para sa inyo. To my parents, Ma, Pa, thank you for your unconditional love and support to me. You are my greatest inspiration. There were times I felt like giving up, but I remembered you. And because of that, I chose to continue. Hindi ko po mararating ang araw na ito kung wala kayo. Sa bawat sakripisyo ninyo, kahit gaano man kahirap ang buhay natin. Sa bawat pagod na tiniis ninyo para sa akin, at sa walang sawang pagmamahal na ibinigay ninyo, na pagtagumpayan ko ang laban na ito. Ang tagumpay na ito ay alay ko sa inyo. Espesyal na pasasalamat sa lahat ng guro sa paaralang ito. Sa kanilang dedikasyon, you've been more than just educators. You've been our guides, our mentors, and our friends. You've helped shape us into the people we are today, and we'll never forget that. You were there on our best days, and even on our worst. Sa mga panahong kami ay pagod, makulit na hirit ng hirit sa last submission ng performance task. Pasaway o nawawalan ng focus, hindi ninyo kami iniwan. You didn't just teach us lessons, you believed in us. Even when we were struggling to believe in ourselves. At sa aking mga kaklase, hindi ko kayo tinitignan bilang mga simpleng classmates. Nakikita ko kayo bilang mga taong naging bahagi ng aking buhay. Mga taong nakasama ko sa tawanan, sa kaba, sa pagod at laban. We became each other's strength. Batch 2025-2026, we did it. We made it through the toughest years of our lives, together. We've cried together, we laughed together, and we've grown together. I remember the nights we stayed up late, studying for exams, working on projects, and just trying to make sense of it all. I remember the times we felt like giving up. But we didn't. We pushed each other forward. We lift each other up, and we made it through. We've shared so many moments that I'll cherish forever. The jokes, the pranks, they're all etched in my heart. You became more than just classmates. You are my family. Education is a continuous process. Others believes that it is a cycle. But whatever it is, the essence is to learn and educate. No word can express kung gaano kasaya ang bawat isa sa atin sa araw na ito. Hindi nang dahil tumanggap tayo ng parangal, kundi dahil nakikita at nararamdaman natin kung gaano tayo kamahal ng mga dumalo nating pamilya sa bawat yakap, luha, at ay simbolo ng matamis na pag-asa. Congratulations, Lipa Integrated School, Batch 2025-2026. This is not the end of our story. This is just the start. And from this day forward, let the world see what a batch that never gave up is truly capable of becoming. Bago ako magwawakas, nais ko lang sabihin sa bawat isa na sa pagkamit ng pangarap, ang kambal ay disiplina. To achieve greatness, start with who you are. Use what you have and do what you can. To God be the glory. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Miss Ariana, for that heartfelt response. Let's give her another round of applause.